Now, in addition to this, of course, we're also talking about the wind threat and a concern for coastal flooding. For a look at that part of the storm on the way, we'll bring in meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas. Hi, Jackie.
Yeah, hi, Mike. As we head through the day on Monday, we're watching those high tide cycles as we head through that early morning hour just before 3 a.m. and then around 3:30 p.m. on Monday as we see this storm really churning up the ocean, of course. Gusty winds and large waves really going to be a factor as to the splashover that we see and that chance for just some minor coastal flooding. So the good news is that these aren't astronomically high tides. The timing doesn't quite line up to make for more significant flooding threats, so that risk is on the lower side, but nonetheless the risk is there for minor flooding concerns. There is a coastal flood warning in effect for coastal Rockingham County from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock as we head through Monday afternoon and early evening, and waves could be large and breaking just offshore at about 10 to 15 feet for wave height. So those large waves, in addition to those strong winds helping to push some of that water on shore just a little bit, yeah, there could be some minor flooding concerns. In addition, the winds themselves going to be very strong. Some gusty conditions, especially as you head further south and east. The strongest winds right at the immediate coast, where you could see the potential for some gusts around 45 miles per hour, perhaps isolated higher gusts possible. And then as you head a little further inland, generally 30 to 45 mile per hour gusts a possibility anywhere from Rochester back through Concord, even down towards Jaffrey. And then as you head further north and west, you get a little further away from the center of that low pressure and you get further away from the core of those winds. So general 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts expected as you head north of the Lakes region and back up towards the North Country. For a closer look, though, on the timing of the snow and what else to expect, we'll bring back meteorologist Mike Hatch.